But this is, and y'all seen no time lapse. This is the donation. Honda Civic. What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E. And this is a little walk around of a 1998 Honda Civic that was donated to this channel months ago. If y'all new to this channel, then go check out my other videos. When I put my cars in storage, we never did do a dedicated video on the donation Civic because it sat on my trailer for 2 months. Then I end up getting overwhelmed with all the cars I was bringing into my headquarters. So I had to offload them at my full-time job until I can get back on them, because if you're new to this channel, I work on all my kids' cars. So they're constantly breaking down. Not because of me, because they're old cars. My car don't break down. My wife's car don't break down. All my cars don't break down, but there's just something about their cars. But it's not all the cars. It's just, you know, the Ford Expedition keep going up and down, up and down. So it's been a busy day for me today, but we're gonna get on into this. I gotta stop rambling. Y'all want to talk? Y'all want to see the donation Honda Civic? It's in bad shape, but we're gonna go around it. No pros and cons, because there's only one pro. We're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do. I got a whole parts list I need to order, get parts ordered, but let's get around this car. So here she is, the 1998 Honda Civic that is in real bad shape. So she's gonna need a hood, a fender, front bumper, of course headlights, another fender. We'll get some light over here. A windshield. Yeah, another fender. A hub, or at least a stud. I'm not going to get into up under this car. Wipers. Like I said, windshield cracked. When he was driving, it got the hood latch broke, and the hood flew up, hit the windshield. But other than that, she's a good car. We ain't gonna go on the inside. We got some damage right here. Got a dent right there that we're gonna have to address. Y'all see that? Probably have to order new hubcaps. We're gonna order some new tail lights. Probably gonna do a complete paint job on this one. Change the color from green, or at least update this green. I don't even like this color. Y'all know I like black. I like painting everything black. Got a little damage on the bumper there. Coming down there. But like I said, no rust. Let's get up under the hood. Because I got, this hard one-handed. Oh, there we go. Sit. Oh, can't sit y'all. Wait, gonna go upside down for a minute. Get the hood. There we go. I might edit that out. Don't know. But now we're under the hood. Oh my. It's gonna need a lot of cleaning. I'm gonna need a valve cover gasket, of course. But this is new. Why is it echo? Maybe because of the. But when the valve cover gasket, we're gonna change those spark plugs and wires on in her. I'm gonna check her later off camera. We did have her running. She has a brand new radiator. I haven't got up under this car yet. Maybe another video, because I'm not getting up under this car in this video. It's just a Honda Civic that was donated to the channel. I do take car donations. If you got an old car sitting in your yard, you don't want to throw it away or junk it. You want to, but you don't got money to put into it. You can donate it to Easy's Rebuilds, and we'll put the money into her and get her a second chance, get her back on the road. That's what we do. That we did with the donation Malibu, and that we're gonna do with this one. Let's check out the inside. Like I say, this is a donation. I have not did anything with it since we got it. Ooh, that door kind of. Ooh, that's kind of hard. Okay, gotta look into that. And it opens. I have to oil that up. But we haven't did nothing with her. They go to the hubcap. Ooh. Oh, man. Nail polish. Oh, that probably. Oh, now I got to figure out how to clean nail polish up out of here. Nail polish stuck to the seats. We'll get it. Okay. But she smells good up in here. She smells good. Got some socks. Baby wipes. So on the inside, we're gonna rip the whole thing out anyway. You're gonna need a whole new headliner, sun visors. Save these door cards. Gonna need a door card for the driver's side. Hopefully I can save these seats. Save the center console. I'm thinking the rear view mirror is right there. But I'm thinking, I don't know yet. This is gonna be a bigger project than the donation Malibu. But let's start her up. As y'all see the interior. Like I said, we haven't did nothing with her. It was mighty dirty, but it was a free car. And we're gonna get her back on the road again. Was told she was not passing emissions. That's why she sat over a year. I do have the emission paper. But why she didn't pass. I don't want to show no names. Just get that. There we go. There we go. Bear with me. Here we go. See, there's the VIN number. 1998 Honda Civic. Has gas, test 1, OBD, incomplete monitors, catalytic converters, and diagnostic trouble codes of P1298 and P0171. P07171 is system 2 lean and bank 1, so it has something to do with the oxygen sensors, and it failed. We'll look into that. I do know that the exhaust is not hooked up to this car in the middle, so she's a little bit loud. But let's give her a start. Like I said, she's a little loud. And if y'all can see back there, get y'all in a little bit closer. Y'all see right there. She has only 72,828 miles, original miles on this car. No engine light yet. She's been sitting with no battery for, I done had this car for months, like 6 months now. So I didn't have a battery in there, I had to bring the battery back to life. Well, like I said, the radio does work, but it's iffy, so I know how to replace the radio. Replace the speakers. I don't know what more I can say. She does run. She's healthy. The heat work. AC don't work. Obviously the hood release don't work. Or the hood release is stuck in the open position. The brake pedal plastic is missing, but the brakes work. Glove compartment doesn't open. But we can't let this car, oh, I got the headlights on, okay. Can't let this car run too long because I'm in the garage with the door closed. Let's go check out the trunk. See, that's where in Indiana where we put the paper for 30-day trunk full of stuff. So we gotta go through this trunk and get all the stuff thrown away, what we don't need. Like I said, it's straightforward car. I'm gonna be ripping that hood off right now because I'm scrapping that hood. Got some stuff to take to the scrap yard. Been cleaning out the garage. Let me shut that. Been cleaning out the garage. Throw those up there. Yeah, I like what I've been doing to the garage. Been getting more organized. New cabinets, new toolboxes. Trying to get it more organized so I can be able to work. Still got some more to do, but I've been cleaning. Like I said, I'm about to get this hood off because this hood is no good anyway. And toss it in the garbage. Should just be like 4/10 millimeters. Oh, I don't got no tools ready to even tackle this. But it is 10s. So let me see if I can see y'all down somewhere. But this is, and y'all see no time lapse. This is the donation. Honda Civic. What else can I say about it? It's another Easy Rebuilds project. I have to order fenders, headlights. Gotta get a hood, front bumper, windshield, headliner. Oops, that was a no-go. Okay, guess I need 2 people to do this. I'm gonna need a hinge now. I don't know the hinge was that brittle. Oh, what a day, what a day. I'm gonna grab something to prop this hood up with. So I take the pressure off these little janky hood hinges. I don't mind ordering new hood hinges, because that one just got bent. Okay, I got some more sturdy. Oh, it bent the back. I step out, end up ordering new hood hinges, because I didn't mean to do that, people. That's more money out of my pocket. But I did learn my lesson to stop throwing all my car parts in the garbage and letting other people scrap them. Got my own car parts. Make some of my money back. Okay, that's a wrap. Like I said, those are 10 millimeters. This hood is not heavy. Remove that. Move the hood prop. Bring her on down. Oh, take her on off. I said she's in bad shape anyway. I'm ripping this whole front end apart. Y'all know how I get down. It's going in the garbage. And this is the donation Civic. And we got a lot of work to do. Like I said, she does run, but she needs some work. Oh, gonna need a new air filter. We're gonna give her a second chance. Somebody gonna love this car. She having, like, for 1998 with these lower miles. Ooh, yeah. Gonna change the fuel filter while we at it too. We just gonna jump on into this bad baby, but not today. Gotta knock that windshield out. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I might as well start ordering parts. Valve cover gasket, spark plugs, wires, exhaust, brakes. Y'all know how we do. So if y'all, let's in this video. So if y'all like this donation Malibu, my bad. So if y'all like this donation Civic, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't like the donation Honda Civic, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here at Easy's Rebuilds, or say hello. If you would, share this video on your social media with your friends and your family and your co-workers. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. We also have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations of cars, just like this one that we just went over. There's all links in the description area below. Go check out the description area. Go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!